Good morning, children. So, first only I have given you the quote for the day. It says, "Abhi nahi to kabhi nahi." If you don't start anything today, there comes no tomorrow. So stop saying this, "I'll do it from tomorrow." Okay? Do it from now, because now is all you have. Okay, then today I'll teach you some basic calculations in order to prepare you for the next question that we'll do tomorrow. For that you need to learn some basic calculations, right? So you all know how to add the numbers which have same denominators. You will simply add them taking 2 and 3 plus 1 is 4. It will cut and give you 2 answers. This is very simple. But for calculating the rational numbers with different denominators, this is what I am going to teach you today with simple examples. Okay, one question I'll do, another I'll give you to solve for your own practice. Okay, so how will you solve this type of question which has different denominators? Earlier they were same, so you were easily doing it. You were taking 2 as it is and adding the numerators. While we have different denominators, here it's 2, here is 5. You all know this, right? The upper number is called numerator and the below part is called denominator. Okay. So here you will take LCM in rough column. You will make a rough column. You will take LCM of the denominators. 2, 5. 2 ones are 2. It will not go with 5, so 5 as it is. 5, 1 as it is. 5 ones are 5. So what the LCM comes? 5 into 2, 10. Right? You understanding it? You know how to take LCM? You took the LCM. You will write 10 here. Okay. Now you will see 2 into what is 10? 2 into 5 gives you 10. So you will multiply 1 with 5. 2 was below this number. 2 into what gives you 10? 2 into 5 gives you 10. So numerator will be multiplied by 5. Getting me? Please revise this again if you are not getting it. You will know. You will understand it. Just patiently revise it, okay? Now 5 into what gives you 10? You will put this addition sign as it is. 5 into 2 gives you 10. So 3 into 2 you will do. 5 के ऊपर 3 है, तो 3 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. Why? Because 5 into 2 gives you 10. In this way you will solve the questions which have different denominators. Now you will solve the brackets first. 5 into 1 is 5 plus 3 into 2 is 6 upon 10 as it is. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 upon 10 is the answer. What you did, I'll just revise it for you. When you find different denominators, you'll take the LCM. What the answer of LCM comes, you will take that as denominator. Now you will check 2 into what gives you 10. 2 into 5 gives you 10. So 2 के ऊपर जो है उसको 5 से multiply करेंगे. 5 into what gives you 10? 5 into 2 gives you 10. 5 के ऊपर 3 है तो 3 को 2 से multiply करेंगे. Okay? Further you will solve it and simplify it. I hope you are getting it, right? If not, whenever schools reopen, I'm always there for you. You can come to me 100 times and I'll teach you. Let's move further. Now you have to subtract. But the same condition is there. The denominators are different. So what you will do first step, you will take LCM of 3 and 2. LCM is 3 ones are 3. 3 doesn't go. 2 doesn't go in 3's table. Now 2, 1, 1. LCM ends when both answers are 1. 3 into 2 is 6. Right? So LCM came 6. That answer you will take as denominator. Now you will check 3 की टेबल में 6 कब आता है? 3 into what gives you 6? 3 into 2 gives you 6. 3 के ऊपर 2 है तो 2 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. माइनस एज इट इज. 2 की टेबल में 6 कब आता है? 2 into 3 gives you 6. तो 2 के ऊपर वाले को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. Understanding it? Solve the brackets first. 2 2s are 4 minus 3 1s are 3 upon 6. 4 minus 3 is 1 upon 6 as it is. So this is the answer. Your practice question I am giving you. Solve this as practice question. 5 into 2 minus 1 upon 4. What you will do, you will take LCM of these two. I will tell you the LCM. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 4 is the LCM. Now you will solve further on your own. Okay? Let's move further. You have understood addition and subtraction with different denominators. Now we move to multiplication. Multiplication is very easy. Okay, न्यूमरेटर को न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, डिनोमिनेटर को डिनोमिनेटर से. 4 7s are 28, 5 2s are 10. आप देखेंगे कि कहीं कट रहा है क्या? 2 की टेबल में ये दोनों चीज़ें आती हैं. सो यू विल कट इट विथ 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. और कट रहा है? No. So this is the final answer. Right? Multiplication is easy. Division I have already told you, but I'll tell you once again. Okay? Whenever there is division sign, you will change it into multiplication sign and take reciprocal of this number. What I am saying is 7 upon 2 as it is. इसे मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन में कन्वर्ट करते हैं जब भी, तो इस नंबर को रेसिप्रोकल या उल्टा कर देते हैं. तो 4 ऊपर अपॉन 14. Now you know how to solve multiplication. Before only you can cut if it's cutting. Like 7 2s are 14, 2 2s are 4. 2 upon 2 is 1. So answer is 1. Either you can cut it beforehand only, or you can first multiply it, then cut. So whatever you find easy. Here also we could have cut beforehand only, like 2 2s are 4. Now only you had to do 2 7s are 14, 5 1s are 5. So cut beforehand only, okay? For easy calculation. Answer will come same only. Okay? Let's solve this question now. Always solve brackets first. Whatever is inside the bracket, solve that first. Okay? Always remember this rule. So 7. Okay, let's cut it beforehand only. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Now you solve it. 7 2s are 14. 3 1s are 3. Divided by 3 upon 10. Next step, we'll change this as multiplication and find reciprocal of this. 14 upon 3 into 10 upon 3. Changed it into multiplication, found reciprocal of this. Now you multiply it. 14 into 10 is 140. 3 3s are 9. This is the final answer. Okay? Last question for today is, this is book question, exercise 1.1 books question it is. Question number 6. Copy this question. What it's asking is, multiply 6 upon 13 by reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16. So first you will find reciprocal of this. Reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16 is 16 upon 7 with a minus sign. Minus you can put anywhere. Reciprocal means ulta karna, I have already told you. Now you multiply it by 6 upon 13. 6 upon 13 into minus 16 upon 7. If you don't know the table, make a rough column. Rough column you have to make with a scale, okay? I have not done it, but you have to do it with a proper scale and proper margin you have to set for rough column. Don't do it roughly like this. Now you multiply it. 16 into 6. 6 6 are 36. 6 1 are 6, 7 8 9. 96 with the minus sign. Upon 13 7 is 91. If you don't know 13's table, multiply it like this in rough column and do it. Okay, so this was question 6 of your book. I have taught you all the basic calculations for solving rational numbers. Please practice it, and please practice finding LCM also. Tomorrow we will do more lengthy questions with it. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you children. Have a good day.